By the end. You may have noticed that the word collagen is quite the hot topic. Keep watching as we guide you through our favorite collagen smoothie and how it can actually benefit the health of your skin. Let's talk about collagen. Is it truly as life-changing as everyone claims, or is it all just a fad? We're going to dive into the subject and explain the difference between bovine and marine collagen and how you can further enhance a collagen smoothie for healthy skin.
The first point I'm going to talk about is bovine or marine collagen. Collagen is an abundant source of protein in the body, and it helps to keep our skin strong and supple and our joints strong. It does decline as we age, so we can supplement to help keep the integrity of our skin, hair, nails, and joints strong. The most common type of collagen in the body is type 1, which is associated with skin, hair, nails, bones, and ligaments. And there are at least 16 different types of collagen found in the body. The most common type of collagen found in the supplement world is bovine sourced, which does mean it comes from a cow. It's a type 1 and 3 collagen. A popular source of this type of collagen is bone broth made from scratch. We suggest sourcing pasture-fed and finished bones if you're going to make your own broth. You can also supplement with something like Organica hydrolyzed collagen. This type of collagen is really great for joints and healing. The other common type of collagen is a marine source collagen, and that is usually sourced from fish scales and fish bones. This particular collagen is especially great for gut healing and skin health, and it's said to be more bioavailable because the peptides are smaller than bovine peptides. A really great product is the True Marine Collagen, which is a marine source collagen, or there is the Lorna van der Haag collagen, which is sourced from squid. I know you guys are going to ask about vegan or veggie sources of collagen. The amino acids proline and glycine are the building blocks of protein and are the main amino acids needed for collagen production in the body and collagen support. Some really great sources of these amino acids are banana, kale, kiwi, spinach, pumpkin, cucumber, alfalfa, and buckwheat. These ingredients might make for some interesting smoothies, but it is possible to get your veggie source. There are some supplements out there as an option as well.
What do you find the most confusing about collagen? Let us know in the comment section below and we'll do our best to answer your questions. Some of the ingredients that Amanda mentioned above are in the Pranin Smoothie Booster. So we wanted to mention this Smoothie Booster in this video because it's something that you can add to your collagen smoothie to help promote collagen production. And some of those ingredients are organic strawberries, moringa leaves, kale, and alfalfa leaves. And this smoothie booster provides 45% of your daily zinc, which helps prevent hair loss, 380% of your daily selenium, which protects against free radicals, which can cause premature aging, and 70% of your vitamin C, which promotes collagen production, improves skin texture, and enhances hair growth.
We are firm believers that improving your diet can truly have a massive effect on the quality and health of your skin. If you want to learn more about this, we made a video called Will Changing My Diet Improve My Skin? 5 diet tips for beautiful skin. We've linked the video here or in the description bar below so you can keep watching this video. I personally think if you're really consistent with everything that we've mentioned, along with eating lots of whole fresh foods and drinking lots of water, you're going to see an improvement in your skin. My challenge for you is to take a photo from today when you're starting this process, and then take a photo a month from now and another month after that and compare the photos. I'm quite sure you're going to see a difference.
And if you're interested about a collagen smoothie recipe, we've linked our blog in the description bar below with our personal favorite recipe. Feel free to take inspiration from this and follow it to a T, or add whatever your favorite ingredients are that are going to get your day going. Are you ready to take your nutrition to the next level? We talk often about the connection between nutrition and skin, which is why we have teamed up with Pranin Organics to offer you the highest quality nutritional supplements on the market. We have an exclusive offer for our Green Beauty community to save 20% off their entire first order with Pranin Organics. Find the link and the code for this offer in the description bar below.
Are you ready to make the switch to healthier beauty products? We're constantly curating our online shop with our favorite natural beauty products. We feel confident that you will love everything we have in the store. Visit thegreenbeautycollective.com to have a look for yourself.
If you enjoyed this video, please let us know by liking it, commenting below with helpful if you found it helpful, and sharing it with your friends, family, and fellow natural beauty lovers.
And as usual, we will see you next Tuesday.